In this video, you'll learn how to make a contact sheet, a picture package, and a custom package using Lightroom's print module. So let's start with the contact sheet. And I just think this is one of the coolest things that Lightroom does. I'm able to turn multiple images into a contact sheet almost instantly in Lightroom. I'm going to do that using the template browser over here on the left. I'm going to open up Lightroom templates. I'm going to scroll down till I find 4x5 contact sheet. And notice as I hold my cursor over the different options, how they appear up above in the preview window. So I'm going to select 4x5 contact sheet. Okay, so you can see it's just one image is showing up here because that's all I have selected. Well, in fact, I want to make a contact sheet of a lot of pictures, like maybe 100 pictures, or just a lot of pictures. So let me move my cursor down here to collections, and I'm going to find a collection that has more images. Okay, here's one with 103 images. I'm going to click on that. You can see now they all appear down here in the film strip at the bottom, and still only one of them is showing in my contact sheet. Now I'm going to use Command or Control A, and I've select all the images. Okay, so it looks like there's only 3 pictures there. No, guess what? There's 6 pages of images. So let me show you how to move around those pages. Just click on this arrow, the left and right arrow, and you can see all the pictures from my film strip are now appearing in the contact sheet. And you can also notice it's pretty small, but underneath every one of these images is a corresponding file name. Now that information that's underneath the image can be changed. If you go up under Page, instead of having a file name, let's say you could put the exposure, and the exposure associated with that image will appear underneath it automatically. Lightroom is drawing on the EXIF information from each individual file and generating this contact sheet. I just think this is just an amazingly easy and quick way to create a contact sheet. Okay, so that's the contact sheet. Let's create a picture package now. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to make another selection here of images to work with. And instead of working with the contact sheet template over here, let's pick a picture package. So you can see there's lots of different Lightroom templates that we can choose from. Here's one that will create 1 4x6 and 6 2x3 inch images. And you can see that reflected up there in the preview window. And it'll only apply once I click on it, which I've just done now. So it's taking one image and putting that image on the page in the way that was described here. And you can see it's because I have all these images selected, it's taking each single image and doing the same thing with them. Now if I want to deselect, I'm using Command or Control D, and I just want to make one picture package of one image, then I will just select that image and it tells me over here that it's page 1 of 1 only. If I hit the I key, I also get that information up there as an overlay. I'll hit the I key again to remove it. I'm going to caution you that it's not hard to make a mistake and have all your images selected. Think that you only have one page to print. Go to the printer, and as the printer starts printing, after page 3 or 4, you realize, oh my gosh, what's going on? I'm using up a lot of ink and I didn't want all of these 8 pages printed. So just keep an eye on this information down here, or if you have the info overlay selected, you also see that this has got 8 pages that's going to print. So let me go ahead and just bring it back down to 1. There's several picture package options, and I'll just show you a few here, all ready to go in Lightroom. You can customize these picture packages or create your own picture packages over here under Cells. It's very easy to customize your own package using the Cell panel. So what if you want to have multiple images on the same page? How do you do that? Well, scroll on down and find a custom package. And we can see there's several of them here. Let's just pick one. It doesn't matter. Custom Foursquare. Now you see what happens? It appears with nothing now because we can place the images into this custom package, and I'll show you how that works. I reach down here into the film strip. I'm going to grab this image here, click and drag, and now it'll appear in that box. Let's pick another image from the film strip. We'll take this one, and then we'll put this one here, and this one here. Okay, I think you get the idea how easy it is to use multiple images on a single page, and using a template, it's all ready to go. Now, having said that, if you want ultimate control, you can come in and use your cursor. I'm clicking and dragging on the image itself, and you can see I can customize this to any size and shape I want. Amazing power and simple to do. Okay, so there you go. That's how you create a contact sheet, a picture package, and a custom package using Lightroom's fantastic, wonderful print module.